Good evening everyone, thank you for tuning into the YouTube channel. Today I've just had this coming in from Britcar. It's cost me £300 and it's a boot cover that will sit there eventually, but goes in here, there and then there. Now the problem is that this design with the original clip sit like that isn't very good. So when you put it in there, it just falls off regularly. So somebody has come up with a clever clip upgrade, and it's basically to change these clips with these upgraded ones that essentially go in and make this expand. So it's like an upgraded design which basically goes in there instead. That clips in there, you screw it in, and then that expands, therefore you get a better fit. So I'm going to be drilling 4mm screw holes here for these bolts to come through, so I can tighten these fittings and hopefully have this fitted. So yep, bear with me and I shall. Okay, so I've drilled these two holes, 4mm holes here. So now it's ready to well, receive the screws. So I'm guessing that is it. Line up. That line up. Yep, that lines up that way. So therefore, I think what I need to do is that. And then that just drops in there. Ooh. Butter fingers. Okay, that'll do. And then you should have a bolt that goes from the other side. Just turn that in. That should just make it wider. Fingers crossed this all works out. See, it starts to go through. Right. As that bolt goes through the nut, it starts pulling the nut in, expanding this, giving it a better fit. So I'm just going to do the same for the other side as well. Just initially you have to just push it through. Not getting any purchase on that right now. This is when you've got to agree with clasps, and then most problems are fixed with a slight tap of the hammer. So no doubt, had it had a bit of a smack, it would have, just a gentle tap, would have gone in a lot sooner. But there we go. Now we're ready to fit this in. And hopefully, as this expands here now, we can put these new might be good to maybe perhaps before we get into that is have something to hold it up. So just bear with me. Get a bit of resistance there. Oh, I was lost in that. Or two. I really struggled with this bit, pushing in the rear grommets, until a viewer called Stanners told me that you actually have to turn the rear grommets anti-clockwise to get them in, and then turn the clip. And then now I've got a perfectly matching boot cover installed with the upgraded clip design. So hopefully that will hold for a lot longer, a lot firmer, and is a lot more flush fitting on the car. As you can see, the front grommet is also holding well after applying the turning anti-clockwise method while pushing it in, and then just clipping it, turning the buckle clip bit. And also on this side, I really did struggle with it at this point. When I filmed this, I didn't know, but again, a kind viewer told me what to do, and I was able to turn it anti-clockwise and pushing it in at the same time, and that went in nice and flush. So now, yeah, I'm happy with that. The car's coming along nicely. Now got a boot cover in it, so yeah, a lot more complete than it used to be. Perfect.